Good afternoon, everyone. Today I have a presentation project 5 activity listening assignment, and this is my bio. My name is Mona Lisa Putri Anli. I'm class 33 2C and 07, and this is my number 334 00 and 14. 25, sorry, and my number is 335 00 and 14. Okay, tonight I want first of all thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my active listening skill assessment. So tonight I will discuss the information and story from the listening activity, including the main ID and important detail. I hope our presentation is clear and easy to uh, I understand or us understand. So we start my project. And the topic about true or false this statement. Okay. Now I read the question, and maybe I just read the question and correctly. And the number one, the answer is false because Jenny Flower introduced Net New as a weekly program dealing with all matter online. And the number two, the answer first again, and the answer, David Acris is the ahead of the internet security company Weblog. And the number three, first two, the the correctly answer or the correctly the text. The interview mainly discuss spam, computer virus, and phishing. The number four, phase two. Jenny says she received about 13 to 14 spam email that morning. And the number five, phase Jenny's spam email included messages about winning the lottery and purchasing unwanted product. Number six, first again. David recommended having separate personal and work email account. And the number seven, first two, first again. And the answer, David advises internet user not to leave their email address around the internet where they can be collected. And number eight, first again, the correct answer, according to David and Circulus, individual collect email address for their own gain or to sell to third party. And number nine, David say that email address can also be collected automatically by software program called Spider. In the answer first two. And number 10, that first again, David explained that software program called Spider shared the internet for email address. Okay, we make the slide 2. 11. David suggests keeping all email accounts even if they are heavily regarded by spam. The answer fails, and the correct answer, David suggests creating a new email account if a travel account has become heavily targeted by spam. And the next number, 12. Number 12. First, same at the first. The correct answer, Jenny says that creating a new account may not be practical for our listeners. And the number 30, 30, first two, David recommended using anti-spam tool a filter to fake spam. And number 40, David stated that internet service provider actually offer anti-spam protection. The answer fails. And the 50, 50, and the 40, and the false, 40 false again. Spam filter generally analyze incoming messages, and the correct, the false. Okay, and the next, and 16 false. That and the correct answer, David says spam filter identify spam by looking at several suspicious features. And the number 17, the answer false, and the correct answer, excessive capitalization can be an indicator of spam. And the number, okay, sorry, and the number 18, a missing word, the answer false. The correct answer, a missing return address can make an email appear suffocation or likely to be spam. And the number 19, 90, Jenny worried that legitimate email may accidentally be deleted by spam filter. The answer is true, so I can to check a correct answer because the question is correct. So we next the number 20. And the 20, David says that any email written in blue text is automatic terror. And the answer false again, because the correct answer, David said that an email written in blue text alone will not automatically be deleted. Okay, we next the 21. 21 is spam filter actually classify messages as spam after detecting only one supplication feature. The answer first, the correctly answer, spam filter actually classify a message as spam when several supplication features are present. And the number 22, the answer first, the correct answer, user can control the sensitive setting of spam filter. The number 23, the answer false, and the correct answer, Margaret Pond, the program from Boston. And the 24, false again, and the correct answer, Margaret wants to know whether anti-spam filter can help prevent computer virus infection. And the number 25, 25 is false. And the correct answer, David said that many virus spread through infected email attachment. And the number 26, the false. The correct answer, David recommend not opening Unix speed attachment. And the 27 Fourth, David advised computer user to keep an up-to-date antivirus program installed. Number 26, 26, 28, sorry, 28. First, David explained the phishing is the spread with PH rated than PH and the F's, okay? And the number number 29. First, again, David says pacing is a recursion online audio. Okay, the last number in 13, David warned that users should never reply to email requesting personal information such as account number, surname, or password, so the answer is true. Okay, the part one I finished, so we continue to part two. Part two essay equation. So I need to answer the question and correctly the answer from audio part one. We That's the topic. Why was Diego Gracia victory in the French Open considered a significant activity compared to his performance in the previous year? So I just need to read the correctly answer in the part one. Number two, Diego Gracia victory was significant because he was knocked out in the first round of the French Open last year, but this year he reached the semi-final. And the answer number two, Diego Gracia victory was significant because he was knocked out in the first round of the French Open last year, but this year he reached in the semi-final. And the answer number three, Altok Hand Cooler Lodge. He performed well because he pushed Croatia to four sets and made the match competitive. And the answer number four, the match is important because the winner will face Tigo Croatia in the French Open final. Okay, we need the answer number five. The report critic is meant by saying that Croatia is waiting for the winner of the second semifinal. Number number six. Barry's victory was important because he won and defeated Mountain State and increased his overall lead. Okay, and the number seven. The answer. He lost the tour by more than 6 minutes, giving him a strong advantage. Next, the number 8. The answer it's implies that Parisi is performing extremely well and will be difficult to beat. Number 9, stormy weather delay the start of play until around 2 o'clock. Number 10, Mark Chappell led at 5 under par, while Mark, MC Conigal, and Chad Connor were 2 shots behind. The next number, number 11, the answer, he should look as if it were entered the lake but bounce into the hole. And number 12, the unspected bones made the moment dramatic and exciting. Number 30, Eddie Cochran led in the rain, but Greg Kruger took pole as the track dried. Number 40, he adapted to the changing condition and secured pole position. Number 50, Eddie Cochran was strong early, but lost his leader. Okay, we next slide. Number 16. 16. How does the report suggest the Great Kruger code segment his position in the world complication standing? My answer is Paul Position gives Kruger a chance to increase his complication lead. And the answer number 17, Santiago White Soviet California was the closest game because the score was 40 4 3. Number 18, Milwaukee was the most dominant team, beating Pittsburgh 10, 10 and 3 2. Sorry. Yeah, 2. And the 19, in the answer, individual sport focus on athletes, while basketball focus on team result. Okay, and the number 20, make a note. So this my note, the topic. The audio talk about some sport new from different country. The report include tennis, skiing, golf, Formula One, and basketball. In the my in the topic ID information in my information is Diego Gracia reset their France Open semifinal after beating his griller in 4 sets. And then his Parker Brady's won the 50th state of the Tour de France and is leading by more than 6 minutes. In the IPM Open, Mark Chapper finished in the first place, and Ross Water made amazing hole-in-one. Okay, we next. Get Kruger got compensation for the Japanese Grand Prix after difficult weather condition. And the last, in basketball, Milwaukee, Milwaukee had the biggest win, while other teams like Boston, Chicago White Sox, Tampa Bay, and Houston also won their game. And my conception about this audio, the sport report shows many exciting matches and great performance by different athletes and teams. It also gives the latest result from several important sporting events. Okay, we make the last part, the part three. In the part three, the segment is about retelling a story. The story is about the Nightingale. Okay, I reading my retell story about the audio tree. The story is about the Nightingale that that saved the emperor with her beautiful voice. At first, the Nightingale keeps singing, and her song is so touching that decides to leave. That this pepper struck the window like a white mist, and the emperor is saved again. The emperor is very thankful because the Nightingale has helped him when everyone else thought he was dying. Okay, we next part. He remembered that he once sent the little bird away and feels sorry about it. Then he asks how he can reply here. The nightingale says that she does not need gold or expensive gift. Saying there is in the emperor's eyes when she sang was already enough for her. She only want him to rest and get better. As the nightingale sing, the emperor fell asleep. When he wake up, he feel healthy and full of strength again. His servants are not there because they believe he has died, but the nightingale stay with him. The emperor asks her to remain in the place forever and even say he will destroy the artificial breed somewhere in the where the nightingale tells him not to do that because the artificial bird did the best in cold. The nightingale explained that she cannot live in the place, but she promised to visit and sing for the emperor whenever she wants. She will tell him about the people in his kingdom and the things happening around him. Before leaving, she asks him to keep their friendship a secret. After she feels away, their servant come back expecting to see a dead emperor. But instead they find him alive and hear him happily say, "Good morning." Okay, the last my presentation, if I have missing my correction or my grammar is not correct, so I can say sorry. So my presentation tonight is finished. So thank you for everyone and my teacher to see my my presentation tonight.
That way, body on tail. Ooh, some things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not